It's just recording darkness. Probably has a night mode. I wonder if I can turn that on. Oh dear.
The lens cap is off.
It's off.
Yeah, well, I pointed it at the moon.
Oh.
I don't know how to do night mode.
Should I see it for a second?
Yeah. Maybe it's in setup.
Try exposure.
Oh, crap.
That was absolutely terrifying. And it's all on film.
Really? Yes, that's awesome. That may not go in Jingles 3 Love, but that could end up in Jingles Walkie.
Yeah.
And as in uffish thought he stood, the Jabberwock with eyes of flame came whiffling through the tulgey wood and burbled as it came. Rumble, 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 rumble.
You know what? There's a night mode on the top of it, I think, actually.
Your phone light.
I'm shaking. That was terrifying.
Phone light.